Water bills spiking to crazy levels like 40,000 gallons out of nowhere is the kind of headache nobody needs, especially when you've already shut off everything you can think of. Okay, so first thing, check your toilet tank. You might not see it, but if the flapper valve is worn out or not sealing right, it can make water run non-stop, and that adds up fast on your bill. Next, grab some food coloring and drop it in the tank without flushing. If the color seeps into the bowl after a bit, you've found your leak. Also, peek outside at your irrigation system or sprinkler heads. Sometimes a broken pipe or valve can cause invisible leaks underground. If your front yard looks dead but no signs of water pooling or damp walls inside, chances are the leak is underground or in a hidden pipe. Another sneaky spot is washing machine hoses and connections. A slow drip can waste gallons over time. You could also check your water meter by turning off all water sources inside and outside, then see if the meter keeps moving. That tells you there's a leak somewhere. And don't forget to inspect any outdoor faucets or hose bibs for drips. If all else fails, calling a professional plumber to do a leak detection test can save you tons of guesswork and money in the long run. One of the biggest common mistakes when dealing with high water bills is ignoring the toilet as a source of leaks because it looks fine. Fix it by checking the flapper and replacing it if needed. Another issue is assuming dead grass means a leak on the surface. Often, leaks are underground, so get a professional inspection if you can't find visible signs. Lastly, many people overlook their water meter test, which is actually a quick way to confirm leaks without spending money. Turn everything off and watch if it still moves. If it does, you know what's up. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to buddy for connecting with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like this without ripping you off. It also helps contractors find good home repair jobs, making the whole fixing process way smoother for everyone involved.